In the heart of the Amazon, in the Igapó-Açu community, the second Forest Pedagogy meeting is taking place. Over 3 days, educators, community members, and partners come together to build learning connections linked to the territory and to the reality of the Amazon. Here, education grows from the community perspective, the lived experience of riverside children, and ancestral knowledge passing down through generations. The forest becomes a classroom, the rivers becomes teachers, and every experience helps build a more valuable education. The forest pedagogy helps build a future rooted in the territory. Casa do Rio thanks the Katia Francesconi Foundation for supporting this work. Together, we continue to build a future for the Amazon children.